O mankind, you are laboring toward your Lord with great effort, and you will surely meet him. Then you will go and meet him. Then as for him who is given his record in his right hand, he will have an easy account. And he will return to his family in joy. But as for him who is given his record from behind his back, he will call for destruction and enter the blaze. Indeed, he used to live among his family in joy. He thought that he would never return to Allah. Why not? His Lord was ever watching him. So I swear by the evening twilight, and by the night and what it encompasses, and by the moon when it becomes full, that you will surely experience state after state. So what is the matter with them that they do not believe? And when the Quran is recited to them, they do not prostrate, but those who disbelieve deny it.